1 injured, 6 dead, 6 grieving widows, 9 orphan children, 1 negligent soldier. He should have been court-martialed. I couldn't stay. Not after that.
It wasn't your fault, Ellis.
Easy. So easy. Oh, you're so weak. I was weak like you once. See this knife? I remember holding it against my wrist, pressing it deeper and deeper, wanting to end it all, to silence the voices. Weak. Pathetic. I should have listened from the start. That's what set me free. You'll understand soon enough. He's gone. He dragged me out here and just left?
Come in, Ellis.
Yeah, good dog.
I said come in, Ellis. Hey there, sleepyhead.
What do you want?
Search the campsite. Something's waiting there for you.
Huh? I have a bad feeling about this.
It's there, Ellis. Look for it.
That son of a bitch. Listen, Ellis. This is nothing personal, really. I'd kill you right then and there, I swear. But she wants you. She didn't say anything about the boy. So look, here's the boy. Here's the knife. Here's what I want you to do. Go to the tree. You know which one. Gather a few of those white branches. Simple, right? Now let me sweeten the deal. Do as I say. And I'll lead you right to my little corner of the woods, so we can chat man to man. Fucking bastard. Wait, what the hell is this? Bullet! Good boy!
Ellis. And off you go, straight into the lion's den.
What are you talking about?
Keep your eyes on the camera. You'll see soon enough. And keep the mud close, or it'll wake him up.
Stick together, Bullet. I don't want to lose you in this fog. Come here, boy.
Come in, Ellis. Ellis, careful now, Ellis. Your little flashlight won't help you here. Oh, but don't worry. I won't leave you alone out there.
I don't need your help.
Oh, don't be like that. Look around. I left you a sign.
What?
A sign. Look for it. Go where it leads. Too close, Ellis. Too close. Now what is it you're doing? One more step and they'll see you. I know you're there. Careful now, Ellis. Your little flashlight won't help you here. Oh, but don't worry. I won't leave you alone out there.
I don't need your help.
Oh, don't be like that. Look around. I left you a sign. A sign. Look for it. Go where it leads.
Here, boy.
I know you can hear me. Careful now, Ellis. Your little flashlight won't help you here. Oh, but don't worry. I won't leave you alone out there.
I don't need your help.
Oh, don't be like that. Look around. I left you a sign.
What?
A sign. Look for it. Go where it leads. One more step and they'll see you. Get up, Ellis. They won't see you if you'll keep your distance. You're being careless, Ellis. Too close, Ellis. Too close. You're being careless, Ellis. My patience is running. Careful now, Ellis. Your little flashlight won't help you here. Oh, but don't worry. I won't leave you alone out there.
I don't need your help.
Oh, don't be like that. Look around. I left you a sign.
What?
A sign. Look for it. Go where it leads. One more step and they'll see you.
I know, buddy. I know.
Don't tell me you're afraid of those little things.
Yeah, gotta watch your step.
Stop. Don't move an inch. Turn left, Ellis. Yeah, that's it. Now walk forward. Slightly to the right. To the right, Ellis. Slightly to the left. Slightly to the right. You want to make me angry? What's the problem, Ellis? Just go. Turn left, Ellis. Turn left, Ellis. You really want to mess with me, Ellis? Don't you remember what's at stake here? The kid. Why don't you remind him? Hear that, Ellis? Too close, Ellis. Too close. One more step and I'll see you. Too close, Ellis. Too close. One more step and I'll see you.
Heel. Good boy.
I fixed the camera for you, Ellis. Use it. I wouldn't go in blind if I were you. Take out the camera. Almost there, Ellis. All you need is a few clicks.
Here, boy. Come here, boy.
Take out the damn camera, Ellis. Stop fooling around, Ellis.
Heel. Can't believe I'm doing this. One. What the? Hey, Psycho, what the hell is this? This thing bleeds.
Don't be silly. Freaks don't bleed. Now look around. Do you see it?
What?
The trail. Do you see it?
I think so.
Follow it.
Come here, boy. Did it miss?
Oh, what's wrong, Ellis? Your mind playing tricks on you again. Now stop fooling around and follow the trail. Now you have consequences. What do you see there, Ellis? I fixed the camera for you, Ellis. Use it. Fine for some fun. Fine for some fun. They made up their minds and set out to roam. Said it would be dull to remain at home. And into the forest at night they would go to meet their world. Blind mice, two blind mice. See how they run, see how they run.
Tracks end here. Here. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh. Bullet, don't. I found the stag. It's dead.
You don't say. That's probably because I killed it. Now take its skin.
What?
off the boy. Good. Almost there, Ellis.
What now? What?
The symbol. I want you to make one. You have the twigs. You have the skin. All that is left is to use them. So hurry up.
Fine. Have it your way. Fucking nutcase. Satisfied?
Not quite. There is one more thing. This one's easy. You've done it before. But first, let the mutt sniff the symbol. He'll take you right where you need to go.
How? The only scent he'll get is my own.
Just do it.
Come here, boy. Bullet, buddy. Wait. You're not afraid of it?
Did you really think slapping some twigs together would be enough? It's not ready yet.